day, everyone. My name is Aileen C. Bantoto, and I'm gonna teach you on how to make a statement of financial position report form. So when we say statement of financial position, it is also known as a balance sheet, and it also includes amount of company's total asset, liability, and owner's equity. So importante gid kaayo sa tuwa to make financial position para malalaman natin kung lugi na ba ating kumpanya at ano ba ang kinalagyan nito.
Go.
So when we say report form, report form is the asset first asset, and the second is liability and equity of a company. Report form also is a traditional way of presenting the statement of financial position. So there are two ways to how to present the statement of financial position, the current and the non-current asset. So I'm going to discuss the current asset. So when we say current asset readily convertible into cash. So current asset there's an example like a cash, account receivable, inventory, and prepaid expense. So when you say non-current assets that cannot be realized. So ito yung pangmatagalan na hindi natin ito yung example ng property, plant, and equipment. So current liabilities is the liabilities that fall due with 1 year. So hindi siya nagtatagal natin babayaran within 1 year. So non-current liabilities is the debt business owes that is not due to pay at least 12 months. Or ito yung pangmatagalan na babayaran natin utang like loans payable and mortgage payable. Let's have an example on how to do the statement of financial position report form. So these are heading. When we write the financial position, importante yun natin heading. The M on the Claros Enterprises Incorporation, statement of financial position report form, and the date December 31, 2020. For the next step, I'm going to write the account titles and the amount. So, ang gagawin natin ay i-arrange natin siya sa current asset, non-current asset, o ito ba ay current liabilities or non-current liabilities. So, I'm gonna arrange this one and teach you how to arrange on the cash. Where did you put the cash? Where did you put the loans payable? Where did you put and so on and everything. And now let's proceed to the balance sheet.